you guys, nothing beats a classic sponge cake, right? This is my tried and true recipe for a big 2 kg cake, the one I make for every birthday and celebration. The secret is really in the little things, having your ingredients at room temperature and beating those egg whites until they are light and fluffy. Then, most important part, gently folding everything together so that they do not lose all that air you just want for. It takes a bit of love, but then you pop it in the oven and 30 to 40 minutes later, this happens, a soft golden cake that fills the whole kitchen with aroma. Honestly, it's perfect, just as it is. Slice it up, share with people you love. You really can't go wrong.